Dealing with another lead gen company. Okay. I guess, can I ask you one last question before I let you go?
Yeah.
Sure. What was it that made you engage with a lead generation company in the first place?
Just reviewing where we were with the salespeople, cost of sales. Are there other people who can do lead gen for us? And then we have sales guys convert leads. So a whole host of different metrics really we were looking at.
Okay. And it sounds like since this lead generation company's come in, those problems have disappeared and things are running perfectly.
So far, so good. So far, so good. So, but yeah, there's quite a few lead gen companies out there, as I'm sure you know. So with one we've gone with, it was somebody else had used them, so they came highly recommended. So yeah, so far, so good. So, but thanks for the call.
No worries. That's fair. Okay. Well, lovely speaking. Can I ask one last? I know I've had my one last question. Could I push my luck and ask one more before I let you go?
Go on then.
Yeah, I mean, what would, obviously it sounds like they're doing a perfect job at the moment. What would have to change in the future for you to?
Mate, that's one for my commercial director. So we're good at the moment. Thanks anyway.
Okay.
Cheers.
Lovely speaking to you. Take care. Love you.
Very good. Very good. Same again. Just staying to find out. I like the angle of all things should root back to a problem. So people do the one last question. It's a great trick. Often people use it as a hard disqualify. Can I ask you one last question? It sounds like everything's probably perfect then. Yeah, fuck off. Or they use the referral thing. We're seeing some success with looping back to a problem. I think we've already got something for that already. They mentioned we've already got a lead gen agency at the minute. Jack used a technique where he looped back to a problem. When you brought them in, what was the problem you were trying to fix? And then he went back to, I'm guessing now that you've got them in place, that problem's gone away completely. And the guy was like, oh, it's not me, it's the commercial director. There was probably something to explore in that, not with the right person, and maybe one to call back in a few months' time. So well done, Jack.
Thanks, mate.